what is that indicator na nag-work for me sa pagte-trade nitong gold? So, check natin itong trade natin, no? So, ito at 4,144 and we are using trading view. Ayan. So, click natin yan. So, burahin lang muna natin itong mga naka-drawing, no? Ayan. So, as you can see, may nakalagay na indicator overlay, no? So, this is a moving average. So, very easy lang naman ang paglagay niyan. So, you just need to go to this option, itong 3 dots. Ayan. And go to Tools, Indicator. And then from there, Technicals. And then look for Moving Average Exponential. Ayan. So, from there, ayan, balik lang tayo sa chart. And then may makikita na kayo na dumagdag, no? Yan. So, yan. Pwede nyo na siyang i-edit. Yan. So, kung ano itsura niyan. Yan. So, kung anong kulay. And kung gaano kakapal. And kung ano yung line style niya. Visibility. Inputs, I'm using 9, 21, and EMA 50. Yan. So, you just need to change this length. No? Itong 9, gawin nating 21. Okay? So, burahin lang natin. And ito nga yung lalabas dyan. Okay. So, why is it working for me kay gold? So, since kay gold kasi, it's fundamentally and news-driven na asset. Very news-driven talaga siya. So, once na nag-breakout siya, let's say there's an NFP and all other news na talagang high impact. And so, click lang, may kita nyo dito na nag-cross. Ayan, so nag-cross itong 21. Yung 21 is yung white. And nag-cross siya sa 50 which is yung purple. And itong dilaw, yan yung 9, no? So, ayan, so once there's such a cross na talagang like this, it's a sign of a reversal and also it's a start of a new trend. So, don't dive in yet. Okay, so hindi porke nakita natin na ganyan, da-dive na tayo kasi as you can see here, maraming beses naman na nangyari yan. Yan. Here, all of it nag-cross up and it worked well naman, no? So, from 3,275, it went up to 3,4. Yeah, so, very significant din. Napakaganda rin yan, no? Paganda rin i-trade. So, maganda rin siyang indicator. And once na nag-cross nga siya pababa, then it's a sign of pabaliktad naman, no? So, bearish naman siya. So, how do we trade this? So, nakita nga natin yan na ganyan. May momentum, no? It's forming higher highs, higher lows. So, you need to have confluences din, no? Not just, this is not just a sole indicator that you will use. So, kailangan may higher high, higher lows, etc. So, once na nag-breakout dyan and nagkaroon na ng mga cross na yan, so, abang ka dito. Now, once na bumalik siya, either sa 9 or sa 21, depending on the bullishness of that news or ng asset, especially gold, no? So, I would say na 21 is the safest here. So, once na nag-cross siya sa 21, yan, you can buy there and start your long order, no? Yan. And this is your SL, no? So yung SL mo is below the EMA 50. Okay? So saan ka naman diyan TTP, no? So I can TP here, ayan. So, dito, pwede ka tumipi dyan. Ayan. TP. Or here. No? Pwede mo tipihin yan. Pero, what I do is that I trail this. So, imagine if you can trail this 3 all the way to 4,180. It's really something, no? It's a significant gain. So, pwede ka na magbakasyon ng isang buong taon with that. Pero, we really don't know that for sure. Wala mo nakakalam yan. But if you spot this trend, then you're good to go. Okay? So, yan. Once na nandyan na nga, nag-set ka na ng SL and TP mo, sa TP is that you can just move the trail, no? So once na significant na yung gain niya, let's say $15 or $20, so from 3.3 umabot siya na 3.4, so you can actually move your stop loss. So where? So you can move it to a significant support, no? So saan ba yung mga significant support dyan? Yan. So pwedeng dito, no? Pwedeng dito. Yan. So you can just move it there. And then again, once na nag-move up na naman siya, no? So this is an all-time high. Pag nag-break na siya sa 3.5. Yan. So you can target 3.5 here. And then kapag lumapit-lapit na siya sa 3.5 and there's a significant gain, then you can also, you can again move your stop here. And so move natin yan. Stop there. And as you can see, hindi naman siya na babasag. So as long as this moving average is holding, hindi siya nagko-cross below, then you can trail this trade. Yan. So kapag again significant gain there, move your stop, and move your stop here. So from 3.3 you are now at 3,600. Yan. So dito medyo nag-consolidation, lumapit siya sa EMA 21, pero hindi pa rin siya nagko-cross below. Yan. So if you are going to trade trail this, and so again nandun pa rin tayo sa ating stop, no, dun sa ilalim sa 3620, hindi pa rin siya ni-stop, umangat na naman siya, so hindi pa rin siya ni-stop, no. So although nag-cross na siya below, since meron ka namang SL dyan sa 3620, okay lang, di ba? And again, tuloy-tuloy, it never crossed. It never went back. Yan. And that's how you do the moving average. Okay, so as long as it doesn't cross and it's still trending, then you can trail it and trade it. Okay, so ilan yan? From 3.3. So from 3.350 all the way to 4,180. Yeah. So let's say 4,180 is 3,350. That's $830 at 0.01 lot size. So you can just multiply depending on your lot size. No? So let's say times 10. Kung naka 0.1 ka dyan, it's going to be $8,300. Okay. So that's it. And I hope na magamit nyo itong moving average natin sa pagtitrade natin ng gold and all other assets. Thank you so much, and again I want to invite you in our Telegram community. Nandiyan lang yung link niyan sa may description or sa may bio natin. See you there.